Dide ngikhula nayo. Ngikhula ngizihemi phela. Ngeke ngajikana kubo psychiatrist. Hayi ngekuthi ngiyahlanya yini babona letiga. Dingumbi titori lengatende esikolweni ngekuvusela abo medium laba preg ngithi sanibonani nina nobabili. Wafile offended medium wayifake office.
Beku script naba bebanga script uDarren Spaza bevele an action baqale bakhuluma uThebo sikhulunywa ngani lana
bekule prize lapha Joshua number 1 beka wina mphasha banganginiki indaba bakushuthisa nawo bofila ngathi career yakho ihambile nyalo lokuthandana tingamlandela mbamba maningi
asenwabale mhlambe nabo utawukhala utawavuma
hey maningi inethi khona labangekho fani inethi ababaleki kulama comedy Mason
Superstar Level, welcome back to the biggest YouTube channel. If you subscribe by now, please pause this video, subscribe, hit the notification button, comment, most importantly, share this video. Subscribe, subscriber. Road to 20k subscribers. So thank you so much for tuning in, for supporting the biggest YouTube channel. You know the vibes, and we shall listen to get my opinion. Lapa, mbone with the comment, nya comments, start in this comment, tell us most important to show because we try. By all means, see but for the man but most importantly, shout out to Clear Story. Clear Story is doing it big for the country. Clear Story, Fetu Lagaman Zin, Lano paying that's more cathedral. Malana, Genagos and Trees. Make sure you check them out. I'm rocking Maxwell, Lana, Lake Degree. So make sure you come and check them out. Check them out also on Instagram, TikTok, and on Facebook. Engage with them, leave your corner in we try posting online thing for Lapa. Look, turns out the DM, now, it's a very special episode. My guest now, my guest worldwide, probably in Sadak, probably in Amsterdam. We're supposed to have this shoot a week before, we see here, actually 2 weeks before. So, because thinking at them, and now it's the most requested, and somebody requested, and that's by Trespass Vashel, and I'm on the show. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Bongiso and Darren.
Oh, Darren, Darren,
IT. Book. Fast. I'm 28.
Trip Darren, young.
Hey.
What would send figure and Malumen and Mshan is?
Yes.
Balarong, Malumen and Mshan.
I go to Mshana Longa.
Okay,
Combo. Malume, Mshana Waka, they are walking together. To the promised land. I paid about the guessing. Panel Singis, the
podcast is just a leak at the lesson is then Kalang. I was only Bambela.
So, I'm saying listening comprehension. Oh, Sagata Raima tot. Bache, Gutum Saga Tutsi.
Anyways, yeah, thank you so much, Banele, for having us. Yeah, Siachabola.
He heard us.
Yeah,
Siachabola
Banat, Gubalanat.
Yeah, Nanzubala, it's nice to be here.
Yeah,
it's nice to be here. Nanzubala, there's a Kurumani. Sines Kurumana got some fundis. It's nice to be here. Nagat is nice to be here near Shonin. Nanzubala.
Boba.
Yes,
guys, like I said, thank you so much for making time for those. But of course, most people know them. Mbongi Swang Darren, Mshana Namalume, they're one of the biggest comedians in the country. So we just took Scots and invited so that they can share their journey in life. And some 17 years old also. No matter what, but Giti is the show and Negma viewers to Scots. So most importantly, seningishita indzaba ye-outfit ukuthi ngibani lothungisile yona i-blind le-outfit
Hayi,
So,
three.
nahlale ninawo lama-outfit noma niwagcokeleni niwathungiselele show specifically
No,
Specifically.
specifically for the show. Yeah, for the show. Yeah.
For the
yeah.
show,
We
puta.
trip lena neting as a special.
Exactly.
Yeah, I trip. Trip. I'm eating trip.
Anguva kahle.
Okay, ngicala ngawe Darren.
Akuthini kimi.
Usithatha sibeke Darren ukuthi Darren before ahlangana naBongiswa bekangibani atendela ini. Ngicala nachaza Darren Bongiswa nawe uyithathe from there. Bese ke sesingena la kuthenini senihlangana njani banginekhombo.
Oh yeah.
Oh, simple there. Mina nangihlangana nalomfana.
Darren bekangibani.
Ahlangana
Why you
naBongiswa.
Yebo,
Ujabule,
ngithathe exactly lapho. Mina nangihlangana nalomfana.
Darren bekangibani.
Yebo phela ngifuna mina before ngihlangana nemfana. Oh, before ngihlangana nemfana. Yes. Ngishaya ngilo before ngikanjalo siyenda lento after.
Yeah.
So mina nangihlangana before ngihlangane nalomfana. I was a boy. I was Darren. Yeah. The very young Darren was dead that day.
Lesingisi ekusekhona.
So ngikoshene esingisi my mother language. So now when abanele ngi before ngihlangane namasonto. Bengi Darren. Ngi Darren. Ngine Darren Spaz. Yabo. La khatse video with la. By Mapoyane Mamba was my director. Wang director ngishuta nalomnye mngani wami Gaddafi Thulan Mazibuko bengifundza naye Iphumeleni. Ngambona lapho ke nangi senda lento le vele ngingidaren. Ngafika lapha esigabeni sengiba ngidaren lo ngimalume nase ngithole lo mfana.
Yeah.
Nebengivele ngingidaren nangishinjanga kude le ngingashinja khona so lo ngimnyama ngingumuntu lomnyama nje kuphela. That's it. Darren lomnyama kuphela. Ngani Darren Christie bekadlala ibhola.
Before ungene
ukuthi
comment,
bakuqosha esikoleni yabo bala tonke leti mfundo.
Bekhona nemfunze kithi ngifunze about
Ufunde
19 school. 19.
6.
19 school. 19 school.
Bungabe sabo.
Baba
ngacala ubambekela lo bubu.
ufuna ngibambisa kweli.
Hey.
Bathe bakuthi
Bayakwathi kuhanjelwa babe ne-evidence ukuthi wena wahanjelwa. Buka nje lo mvlo uyakushayela awumbambi kusasita babukela ukuthi awukambambi. Abokuthi awukambambi mabona bakunete ne-option yokuthi ungabamba.
Hayi ngathi mina no what Joshua no ngambambi vele. Angimbambi. So lo mfana lona mina ngimkhanza mine ngidala umfana wami vele. Very young boy, very too young for me. This one is not even underage. This one is very young. Abesasima ngenja nangimbona. That's why I call him Mshana wami. Mshana wami no. This is my very honorable honorable what?
Nephew.
Not nephew man. Niece. My niece. Mshana wami no. Very good one.
Okay. Ukutala udalela phi bovele uyicomedian yini ngokudala noma ukhanze nje.
So lento udiscover kuphi lokuthiwa ngubani. Lento ngidalwa la mbi kwakhe eGas. Nangitalwe mbi kwakhe ngifunza lapha kwaLuseni. Dide ngikhula nayo. Ngikhula ngizihemi phela. Ngeke ngajikana kubo psychiatrists. Hayi ngekuthi ngiyahlanya yini babona letiga. Ngajika khona ngigrand. Ngisuka naye primary things. High school bebangangifuni all around Manzini but good high school engayithola ngenhlanhla ngafunda letuleka lozita bangifo. But bagcine bangicosha. Bangibhalela bothuna do not come back to him. Bangicosha bo. Dide ngisibeyila kimi wena. Ngizemi vele ngiyakhuluma laba feel offended angibayi but mina bengithi ngiyimisho yabo ngizemi vele Joshua ungikhanza mina ngizwe
Joshua Darren.
nangijoshua
Oh, Joshua
Fohlas.
Igama lakhe nje langenza
Vosmuzi
lo.
Johnson
Angiwadi but onke
babe inhlengethwa lo ningimakamanga
Magagula.
Magagula lo ngumgcinisi utalwa ngibabeshongwe le ndasi kaMazibu lo ngiyamati mina ngijoshua lokuba nje ufuthi babemnisi
Solo ngibonge lo.
Manje baxoshelana esikoleni yini loboyeni yini lokhumbula ukuthi kwenta nje baxoshisa.
esikoleni ngihlahlandlela I talk
Eyafuna le.
every day
Asifake silent le ukhuleke
ngifake silent okay
Inahathi le nombo.
chana ngesilothe sixana naye
Inahathi le.
sixana naye ngathi ngiyintroduce akole
Ushayilol.
ngathi mak nangilele sixana naye wathi make nihlekana so ngile ngisho kubanene ukuthi hayi nevele bengikhule nje ngilomlonga
Wendana esikoleni bosangixoxa story lwaselwa kwasena.
Tinkumbi titori lengatende esikolweni ngekuvusela bomedim labapregi ngithi sanibonani nina nobabili wafile offended medem wayifaka ehhovisi njalo nibabili vele chicha
Hawu ngiyanivusela sayini inkinga yenu.
wafile offended wayifaka ehhovisi wabuya umphathi wangisenda emzini jangala Masona
kakhulu.
angihluphekile esikoleni ngafunza esikoleni leti kahle ngafunza hayi private school ngayitest ekubeni ngifeyile egovernment ngabuye ngayitest private school nokumnanze private school tiyapusha lapha neda tifunze zobili sazoba lapha nalo tofunze private school wonke umuntu uyati ukuthi thina sifunzela umzobo lapha tiyazobe private school
Bongiswa. Hey, malungu ucetha isonke isikhathi.
Hey wena.
Bongiswa before abonane naDarren.
Mina bhuti wami kude lo ngana ngami yathi bengingumumvu nje. Naya lo ngcansiso lo ngingiloyo mumvu. Mumvu emahloni yabona mina bamvu. Angathi nokuthi ngagcina ngingene njani kule field le. Because hayi mina bamvu ngiyabasaba Stalo kuningi lo kumete kube na something maybe kimi kuze ngibe nebantu.
Ngabara nje into la ngayitsabi mantombatana. Kwasabi. Mantombatana ijoshwa kwasabi mbamba.
Darren level nepeli yesivele kanjani?
Hawu. Bengani but nje I know. Ngiyawe ukaya ihlanganiso le.
Ne so like ngikhulile nje
bantu
mani bahlala
Asakhulume.
Darren asengiqedile lami ngemntakwelo kanjani sala yakhe phansi le so like ngikhulile ngafunza ngacetha Darren mina ngifunzele joint mina ema joint deep esigcaweni khaya ne
Bekhona.
ngidalwe khona ngiphosa ngitse Nazarene ngidalwe vele esigcaweni ne emva kwaloko nanginjanisa nangicetha ngiyaspana ne peace job time lingifolela peace job ne hayi ngiyaspana ufunza
isho ukuthi usipana ko
hayi lawa asingena ama details
Wala ngicela wangawusho
kawo beta ngiyaspana ne
uyaqeda
uyafunza lo
uyafunza mina
uyafunza
very young one
wenza la span every day uyathelela Darren onke malanga uyathelela hayi mala 17 out le ngevala espan bebanalo lokungathi ukuthi ngiyathelela but low key bathi ngalelinye langa asengeke ngigadze la umfana khona umfana ofike engicela abathelele ngimchwense back ne kwaba kanjalo ngomela wengce esikolweni wathi uyathelela ngamthela bakuhleka nebangani bakho lo bamba yebo bamhleka abangani bakhe wahamba wabaleka esikolweni because njengoba basho ukuthi bebazoba vele wabaleka esikolweni wabuya kimi espan ngiphethele ikotapeli elingaka
enhloko yahulumende le
ebelikhulu ikotapeli ngiphethele ikotapeli lela sahlala sadla sabhondi kuse ini uyathelela wena kusho yena ne mina bese ngivele ngimadi Darren I think Darren vele kathi lemvu ayikathi lemva icala bosijiva vele bengimadi mina ukuthi nje uyathelela bengimthanza Yes, so like lokho mdidalo kakufa abantu lokho kuyangichaza le kanjalo ngagcina sesiclose naye wathi une Darren Spaza khona imvo bebayishutha nemngane wakhe Gaddafi usolusaphila noma
Gaddafi uyaphila ulive but nje hayi walimala headquarters
ne
yabo le company yonke yafala headquarters
kwabakuhlangana kwephuke kanjalo na Darren then wangibita ukuthi asishaye lesiphaza sasishutha siphaza na Darren ngicangisi 5 ema episode base kulahleka iflash
hard drive
ne angathi mina kusela angathi siyashisha la asiyekele lembo standele kwephu sacala lapho
mongiswa bathi bongiswa nakayiva ukuthi kulahleka hard drive idile sisishuthe about 2 seasons.
Of what?
Darren Spaza
Darren Spaza.
Darren bayakhuluma sihlangane
trending on YouTube.
Darren bayakhuluma sihlangane phela kathi athi Darren nje mina ngimati ukhuluma lemfolelo okay satala lapho
kwase kungalahleka le hard drive leyo ukuthi kuse
so benga upload ngesithuba benga sasuthonya historisha le content upload no upload
okay bas uploadela le sine siyashutha kuphela ne uya uploada then kwalahleka le hard drive nabasho
lena le content
ayibe iningi lengaka release because ngangahlala phansi ngabukela about 1 hour 30 minutes wayo seyikanye like nje ibe kanye
ihlanganisiwe hayi ngalama seconds
ngahlala phansi ngayibukela khona lapha e-studio after that good
so kwaba ngilemfolelo ngathi
wasebongiswa
ukuthi lemsolako nje
ukhona
simthola kulowayiba ngilelisela lithethe kwebakubulala nekuphi
wakwenteka imvo kwangasolo umvuli yonke imvo lento yakho
akalo kwemfana lo futhi nyanyalo bekunema dread life 5 angathi nyalo kulanga mhlawumbe sekukhulile kunabo
mina ngimati
ngiloko mfana amati nomnye mfana
angimati mina ngimati imbaba phela serious
okay qhubeka bonke sesiyahlekile iflash
yebo ngithi mina ku Darren sicale sale senda i-content sodwana ne like sale sishutha ngefone upload sacala kanjalo I think ngine part lelo sesiya ukuthi sahlangana kanjani
because waphiwe basondo kimi sisuka khona lapha wathi eksect afuna shoot ema videos ethu sawashuta vele ema video first video ngicabanga ngasuka nje le cuts lembi kwakhe le ayendasi New Village sashuta kwa enjoyeka dideng waba into le used to ngayenda nako ngayenda yabo sashuta sa trend namasondo
soyitho
sa trend soyitho
ngathi ke mina yabo ukuthi bebavele badlala
are you continuing with the content lebeni yenda ngale lahlekile sinzama kuwenda yona noma sengithanga ne new
no njengoba ngitshela kakhuluma sishangane nje
benibutwabi ngenesiphaza nasesishuta tsini
bese sibamba
sikhuluma
nje content
straight
anything lesivangaza ukuthi mhlambe ngabafana siyayenda yes bottom
authentic kanjani ne script ukuthi okay namhla sikhuluma nganaku
hayi beku script naba bebanga script ku Darren Spaza bevele kuthiwe in action baqale bakhuluma ukuthi yibo sikhulunywa ngani lana ho but Darren nemngane wakhe Gaddafi beba kanjani bebanga kude ukuthi kuya script ukuthi kuyahenywa nje tot why anathi uthi mtotsa nini
safika nje la
niyacala niyakhuluma
kakhulunywa
uthiwa action kusuka tot ngathi mina
but at this time yini info lenenda ukuthi nini decide kuya comedy full force is it nikwenda part time ukuthi okay so sathola usasebenza usafunza ukuthi you just trying to see ukuthi niyakuthanda or it's decide kwenda full force and why comedy
leso ingangamasona
ingangabani
mina ngashaya simple Angizange sengisebenze. Itel pass. Solo kathi inhloko nal pass. Hulumende uyamkweleta umthelo kuthi. Angisebenzi.
Awusebenzi vele.
But nje into lekhona lana ngaya ngesitiyo lithandula libhaya kakhulu kimi.
I think bese ithanza mina lemvu ne because besikwenda thina for fun man
For fun.
kube ukuthi
Uye lapha video ways uyele i10 rand ekugibela mawuyekasi. Phele.
then from videos sang ku stand up professionally ngangena kucala kunawo stand up professional
Professionally my son.
professional
Yeah, professionally ngakhanza performa kuma big events.
yeah
Mina ngaka perform
I think-
perform Sunday school mina makerke ayibole mvolelo.
nasekhumbini selela khona
Ngitselela nje. Mine kwi game yami bekutselela kumanhleke but ngathi ngabe sengiya discover somehow. Ngingasho lethi he's the one who discovered me. Mina bengingilo muntu lokuthi vele nje wahemeka ngiyahema. Kuthi kuphi nini kanjalo?
Kahle kahle i-deal yena aqale ekotapeni. Singasho kanjani?
Yeah.
kwaba likotapeni ubona nje likotapeni
Likotapeni. Cause the muntu ngatamla kanye yabo lokutamlisa kuboreka. Ngithi ngiyatamula wakhuluma nemi yabafani at that time. Ngathi ngiyatamula uthi awudareni watamula ngabona waze waveli anda. Lapho ngahleka ngathi awuthi yagula lena.
okhamisa kakhulu
Hayi ngitamula boy.
yabo okhamisa kakhulu mzangazi
So now say enyuka ke senishito uthi ngiyaqaliswa ngicabanga ukweda uhulumende ucansi benithanza nyahlangana senijo igama liqhamuka and when is the first time ngicala performa nyalo nong to a stage ke seningekho
I think
futa yonke mina ngishaye simplification namfana wami.
niyakhuluma phela manje
I
think
never
man.
talk that one. This one talk this one. Yonke lezo ibuta kabanet. Ndamfana. No.
unani
Ngwewo ngayisimplify ukuthi igama na lokuthi sesiyaqala sendane ngwe.
okay ligama yeah ligama leta nami ne raising being le story man sibuye emuva ne
silanze phela
yeah
It's fine.
ne page lami I think beko khona comedian be I role model yami ne
yala kangwane
no
okay
Devon ne so like be page lakhe uyamathi siyanda maphumulo
ngiyambona
so iyenzeka leyo nto ne so mina like bengimthanza and ngisaqala comedy like istyle sami nje bese kanje ngaye lo kubasi lo what like vele yonke ivo beyisimile ne so page lami by then beku team for tiendeka ne le page the name of the page so there's this female comedian Mandy noma Martin
wala kangwane
yes
Lo wasembabani lo
Mendikinins nguye lo wathi ke like bongizwa hayi ngiva ngazuthi leli gama leli yabo cause lo muntu lona nestyle sinye phindze nelipage ngazuthi liphindze yabo kutaba ngazuthi so yakopa kakhulu le wathi asobukele enye imvulo awubukele enye ligama imvulo kanjalo ne ngathi mina angisathi ngithini
Ayo, samkaku.
kanjalo ngathi angisathi ngithini ngathi yathi vele ngingabita ngithi angisathi ngithini kanjalo akusimvo le mhlambe le deep kakhulu ukuthi but sasinase sikhombo ke sengilo angisathi ngithini he's the ngithini to the anxiety
Yeah.
I am the anxiety to the ngithini into le kanjalo
This is the eating. This is the answer.
so yeah ngicanga angazi ukuthi bongibute ini ka
bengibute nje
Bongibute kona lo,
bese
okay.
ngithi ke performing do you remember the first time you guys performed together and benjani
first time is performa kanye na Darren I think nginase sicala kubhukwa
how is your first booking take us through the first booking the first performance
phela thina sibene emajeni lahlukene ne mina ngicale stand up
Okay.
kade way back
Okay.
nabomdura
yaso sikhulumela ezinkombo inkombo
iminyaka
mina 2019
before COVID
Thina nasosoyithu okay man. Darren go ngicoba nje
Man.
mina angifuni kuba ngazi ukuthi mina ngiyapha. Ngicokhuluma liqiniso ukuthi kwendekalani uze uthi asale siphuma kanye. Batshele baba.
Kwendeka laso. Okay. Ngijoshua lo. Ngidaren. Ngivincent lo. Ngidaren lo. Makhalembe.
Awume kuse
Shokuthi lo Joshua lo. Joshua kwendekalani imvo le yasenta sahamba sathi. Joshua lo sehamba si join a competition lapha eDivine. Yibe kune dance kune comedy kune ma poets nanani. Mina ngathi no angeke sicompete namasonto wanye kanye sicompete under one category mina ngiyajayiva ngijoine ka dance masonto ajoine ka comedy wawina ka comedy labe bengibona
Bang number 1.
bathatha yeah he's my favorite comedian he's my favorite stand up comedian so naka wina masonto
Ngiyabonga.
labe babuke le competition labe babuke le competition bathatha masonto bamshuthisa somewhere nabo gogo the day ngiqala kushuta nabo Silwane bo Smalls yabo bamshuthisa lapho mina bengihleli ekhaya naka shoot part he used to make time for me ukuthi na shoot ashuta ngibukela ba post mo video ngemoye boy na bebane ma shows bamfaka ku poster ayeke performa wangibita kulenye show wangenisa mahala i-guest yakhe wathi kune guest list yakhe lebe kungemngedwa ngangena ngahlala phansi exchange ngiyakhumbula lapha acibetsela lapho washayela amanye ama-jokes emhlaba kwaJoshua ngaqala kakuvuma kakhulu but isikhathi sami naye besishutha asisekushuta beka ngasipholoti sekufuna sishutha siya-uploada ngala yashuta ngale yasifana kubogogo nabo Smalls nabo bani but ngala siyashuta
Wendawo nabo gogo nabo Smalls that.
bebashuta
Beshoot.
Content.
Package lokwina
Hey.
le content.
No, like ngicanga noma bangithanza noma konta but babe
No, babukalo, man.
bamfaka under merchant of both of them less laughter ngase ngiba part of them. So yonke isho bebaba nabe ngibakhona mina.
Kodwa lapha bahluleka kumbhadala Joshua cause bekune price lapha. Bekune price lapha Joshua. Number 1 beka wina mphasha. Banganiki imbaba. Bakushuthisa. Nawo bofila ngathi career yakho ihambile nyalo. Lokuthanda nathi ngamlandela. Ngani good. Abamnika mali namba ngiphinze bangijaja ngabatsange bakhona mina kungijaja just because ngijive ngisingle dancer lana kunema groups ngama sihamba sakwaphela. Otherwise Joshua Joshua.
Wafakeni lamandi Darren wathi sokukhuluma lethi ngathi understatement.
No, Viva, no, shout out to Viva, by the way. Viva has been a good friend of the podcast, my friend.
Oh,
He
that's
made sure
nice.
he come
That's nice.
They come through for the podcast. Oh, that's it's also. La manye mani lo sami.
Hayi. That's
Afaka.
right.
Phela
That's
manje.
right. Nasicetha. Akusi babukela batawa sebacabanga ukuthi khona
Bisa.
Hayi drink.
Uyibeka nje just.
Yes, but let's not lose the conversation because it's coming up.
Yes. Isiyanatha man.
Darren khona la jola hlala ukubamba akawubeki past lo Viva hlala ubambile. Yeah. So story se bahleke ukujudge wethu in siyakule journey kahle ukuthi nithi kanjani performing kanjani solo nitana.
Okay. Man mason.
Ngabatshela iqiniso wena uyageka man.
Man, mina wena la outside. Si decide to perform. Okay. Mason. Ngikunikele ithuba.
Decide ukuperforma kanye na Darren because bese kaba khona ema shows ne abe khona ngibe khona but singena abo 1-1 ne cala Darren because angeke ngikhona icala mina because nangena mina but angibuta ukuthi Darren kanti ngcola ngene yena cala akwende bangimbude ukuthi ngumini akanoma understand the situation.
Uthola lonke iqiniso nalomuntu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So like nakuthiwa ngene ekucala mina ngidaba nenkinga la stage because bathi Darren yabo ngingasaperform. So becala lo ngilandzele mina. Kuloko Darren beka ku comedy kunana language nalabathi mhlambe stage ukakile so like bekafa the stage
mawufika uwethwana lapha ube nalewuse
afe ne ngingene ngishaye mina kancane manje ngene stage ngahlekisa kuba kancane manje Darren, you know what they say
Lenvo
because bamfu basati sisoyithuka ma videos the stage sesingena one by one why singahlanganisi lama jokes
yabo the thing was killing me ukuthi say ngitrenda ngi out but ngiyoperforma ngedwa okay bengwagciba sometimes lenye show kanzo be fully prepared
ayikhona babulala kakhulu
ngimbanza kanye but le branding ukuthi okay kunalaba bafana lapha bongiswa indari akusiye mananga nama individuals laba mkulaba bayithu kunalo lo bhalo ungabhala 8 bese uphuma lento leyo ngiyo ke liyabe singathi no asiba asiye lapha kibo
so yeah sabe sesihlangana kanjani ukuthi no sale sihlanganisa le material yethu siyende ibe yini ne siyacupha sesiya lapha siyakumisa cause eventually bese sibuka ukuthi ema bookings atocala ngene ne nabani booker yabathi siyanibooka no2
bantayele ukuthi nini ba
ngabo one by one la cause bafuna
ukusibuka
nabanjenyalo ke ni sicela unibooka nibe bo MC MC ngabo one by one mele singene so2 so sabe sesicala ke kanjalo sesiya practice lokuba kanye nema jokes evinyalo ma jokes sile ephuse swati nje noma nini ngiyathi uthi nakathi lo ngilawuthini mina nakathi ngithini okay yeah
but still
sengiyathi amsathi but still amsathi yayibona kusibadi
ngiyayithola
Actually, white cage futhi nawo
ngatholi yawo ngawuvela manibonke usaphelile nje
don't valiwe dog
lena sekuvaliwe
akuvale relax le sparkling
no sparkling
sparkling ngasijikisa masono walamani lawa expired
oh okay
Ngiyaniwe. So now, do you guys
I look for
right lama jokes nyawabhala noma njengoba nje ukuthi maybe ngizafreestyle nje ngasesiphaza
I mean I don't write
ama jokes like for stand
videos or stand up
nangibookiwe ngizawabhala it was I know now when we ma comedy why kwecala before I'm just curious lokuthi yini ngafuna ba record nabe nemas live performance
asikundi ke lokho abantu ba record nje
but nguthi material uzato utahamba namhlo performa eMbabane uhambe isebenzisa enhlangano so ngishuthile wena eMbabane maybe why poster sengiyofika enhlangano sengidawuthini ngena ngingayicala ijoke basowe bayicedzele ndawo kanjani ke mina awuthi ucala ijoke bayicedze cause bayivile ke intane so ma comedy show nje ukuthi ma comedy show nje
record but ba record
ba record
ngavumeleka
akavumeleka awu record man comedy show
mawutitsemba ukuthi wena
laba serious kakhulu ma comedy nje bayakhipha nala kule show like kumabhanks akuthatha iphumela
lamanye lo live likhipha bo show ma show nje abo Kevin Hart bathi ufika ukuthola
uyalishiya
enjoy phela le content
uhleke ubuye mawuto attend the next show vela usahleka
lo Jaiva umisa njani ngene comedy you still dance on stage ngoba sometimes bathi bese uthatha nginjayivele
Adiyadlanda ndawuhleka ngengane
manje ngingana uJaiva abahleke
but ba
ngano what I enjoy mina ngilokhu ngibona nini nihleka uJaiva yabo nje mina ngicabanga uJaiva sikwendelana na Joshua seJaiva na Joshua akhulu
hayi
esikwendela yini Yabo mawungena umtimbushisa on stage.
Khona ivideo engibonile engcebo umuntu sport benjayiva mos.
Yebo.
Izinto umuntu sport ubani? Labantu khona keeper tete betting what.
Yeah.
Benjayiva strong lapho le video le.
We dance. Yeah.
Uyangifundzisa ngikwadi nekujayiva. Ngijayiva.
But
Uyangifaka.
Lo choreographer.
Yeah, Hey. Phosa kwakuntuka choreographer.
Atu choreographer.
Ikale public disease.
So yeah, wena banele ngicala kwaba nje ngilemfo leyo awu.
Ngicela iperform kanye kanye.
Qala na kule show le ekucala nasiperforma kanye. Because lebona masondo na ngikhumbula ukuthi yaqina kuphi masibuya ku SmackDown eMcLaren.
Oh, make a lounge.
Okay, saperforma kanye lapho bathi kule ekucala. Babe bathi siperforme 1-1 for ukambisa isikhathi se show. But still since ayibona lemvu it's okay. This thing works now so abili.
Naso 2 kuyasebenza sho ngenguye ngami.
Nasehlukene lekho. Then
Hayi masehlukene ke yabona.
Bonke half. Imali half. Uyakhona ngibona nakubhukha ukuthi umshana unibhukha ngamali. Asifuni nibuyela nasento ofata.
Kanti kubhukhwa abantu. Kanti bakhuluma nabani kanti?
Phela
Bakhuluma nabantu laba.
Ngisho lokho ngisho ever kule system ngiyakhona yini kuba transparent ngibone ukuthi kwendekani nongithu.
Yeah.
Wamhlambe munye umngane wa manager la uthola ikhathi leningi ngalomuntu.
Ungayitholi ikhathi leningi. As long
Le yabifini.
ifika la game day yami.
But what do you think I'm missing money here?
Noma incane imali yakuthenge baba.
Utawuphela no. Utawuphela wena.
So vele ungiphelile.
Yathi ke konke mina lengingathiwa la lengaphela khona. Mina ngingaphela ku.
Ho.
La ngangaka. Akuyi.
Baphela bathembana. Baphela bathembana.
Inkinga
ukhuluphe
kanje.
Ukhuluphelo nomthemba.
Bela nokuhlebela lawo.
Mina maintain la. Angivisa. Indaba endena ngathi.
Awuyivi ungafuni uve ukuthi ngithini but ngakutshela
La ngakusho ba masondo kuwe.
Budo future ngaphela sengibambelana imali eTanzania kakhulu.
Awume.
yabo ukuthi siyathembana nje.
Balaya lokutshela mina. Joshua.
Sengajwayela ukwambelana.
Ngibani kahle umngane wa manager misho eJoshua. Ngimi mas.
Babe.
Umngane wa manager sesikhuluma sobabili fast ungalimala noma nini. But na angulimate. Awuhetheki mfana. Ehetheki.
Banele yabona imibuto losotanayo.
No, fanele ngibuda ukuthi next thing into abantu kanti awubuya la athi lo myuno.
Taba ngesikhathi taba mlanza kakhulu ke lapho le podcast. Nasesibuya one by one sisitshela nanizabatshela.
Ngicela ningendele ifavor because emaskits siyawa endle nendawo la le show. Ngicela ngishayele nje skits ngikhuluma ezimalume nemshana le simulwa.
Bonele kanini.
Before ngibuta namuntu olenginawo. Before ngibuta umuntu olenginawo. Live, you know why I'm doing this?
Why?
It's for our audience team. Because bayangibukela beni, nyalo it's like a mixture of your audience and our audience. And audience saying, mhlambe khona sengibona for the first time. Omshaye na umsuse mani malume.
Angeke
Akuthi into lengayikhuluma emazona. Uthi nayo ikhuluma. Wena kungaba kutshela bobanile ukuthi le BVT lo igcokile yabani wayithatha phi. Yiba simple nje njalo.
kube brief. iBVT yakusiyamumva. Ngimnawo ukuthi umnikado wale BVT.
Mina ngifuna usho ukuthi yabani.
We okay yakho ngalokuthi yetshiwa nguwe.
Yebo.
Hayi ukuthi yakho lawo. Phela mina ngisamtshela umnikado wale BVT utabe sithini?
Masende phela na umtshela ukuthi iBVT yebiwa ngimi nginamtshela ngithi sisobabili ngoba lo mtiya lesayithunga ngawe wakho.
One.
Lo mtiya lesayithunga ngoba.
Yona ucopha iBVT etsabukele.
Ebalele mina masondo ngiyambhenisha. Masondo nani?
Oh no bro.
This question that we put up before, top 3 comedians zakho nangathiwa on tour upika up.
Top 3 comedians. Locally. In Eswatini.
Nakuthiwa
Number 1.
Manje nine-tour nyalo. Nine-tour yenu maybe you're touring Sadak wherever the world but ke pick top 3 wakho pick top 3 wakho and how.
Man ke mzondo qala mina ngokuthathela 3. Musomahlaya.
Ungawaphinzi futhi abaphinzi.
Ngosho bani?
Ngeke phela. Ngeke.
Ama comedians siyafika ngisho 9.
Safia ku 9.
Usuthi ma comedian yangu la mali ngani.
Mani.
Asibancane man.
Mani masonto. Mani.
After 10.
Mbamba mani.
Asenwabalo mhlawumbe nabu utawufunda.
Hey mani inethi khona labangekho fani inethi ababaleki kulama comedy. Masonto. Ma comedians ngawati mina. Yabo nje mina nangaphika the top 3.
Yeah.
Top 3. Yeah. I love comedy.
Yes.
Very, very much.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm living comedy. Yeah. Masonto. Bongisa masonto. Akublandi kumfana lo.
Usuqalela bala?
Ngibala kona.
Okay.
Lo abongisa masonto. Mina noma ungemawethu lapho ngangicibethela nje mina ngihleke ngihambe ngekhaya. Bese kuba ngibani? Lo Darren. Hayi nani. Lo ku strong kakhulu.
We good.
Darren na.
Selo was 3.
Was 3. Ngibani lo mfana lo? Lo mfana Dlamini. E2. Embabane. Dura. Yeah, my favorite one, that one.
So kahle wena uqale ngale combo wethu ngamdura seshoda ucini. Ikhombo phela Darren na.
Uyakwazi kwamasonto stage wena. Yewe. Wakwaya show aperforma letana Joshua Emerald. Aka move up and down. No, ume kanje.
Athela phela.
Where him. Wafika wathi ugcoke blue. Wathi ugcoke. One day I wangicibethela lapha. Na exchange. Wathi bafethu kwenda so hayi wathi
Top 3 yakho sephelile.
Ayiphelile.
Okay.
Wathi ugcoke blue kulelisha.
Yami top 3.
Cha ngashola amavu la ngibulala.
Lawo yami top 3. Ngicangisi akuyi nge-order ngiyabunya name ngumdura nguDarren nguSibu
Ngwenya ekahlanya ke lo.
yebo
Sibungwe nyavela.
Nano kakhula lo. But I lost someone. Tembela ngumuntu washona. Yitembela ithe. Do you know Tembela? Yo.
I
be
Yeah.
ufike before nina noma.
No, ngimkhanze industry mina ngimkhanze nje aphusha le kumfuleni nama shows.
Vele before and after bayahluka.
Bongiswa.
mina phela kusengacanga performa ngebhala mina emfuleni ngabhalela amdura ne enda ema comedy days for upcoming comedians.
But you like comment for others. Asilotala ukuthi uyambhalela lo muntu.
Balo
What? Baneleka ni.
comedy days emfuleni.
Yes.
Ulela ngabana namuhla.
Upcoming comedian.
Ngisho nangena mina like nangicala nje nakuthiwa ngiyangena.
Uthomendela imidura.
Ngambhalela.
That's what I'm asking.
No,
ngiyacela.
No.
It's because ngake ngemva kuthiwa I don't know who ngbantu labhalela lomunye I don't know umuthi angifuni lokukhuluma but ngeke research. Yes.
Oh,
Hello.
ngisho ukuthi ngambhalela
Like texting him.
What's the show ngeta?
What is it a bad thing?
Ngokwenda.
It's a bad thing.
No, ngiyambhalela Mr.
Ubhalela abantu. Ubhalela abantu. Ngiyambhalelwa. Never written. Emasondo. Kodwa nina ungitshela ukuthi ufuna umbhalele.
Ngiyangizini. Ngiyabhala phela vele mina.
Oh, bangs do that right thing. I know that. But some other things never be returned. The things are happening.
ne na angibidi athi no hayi ngeda ebesibaningi emfuleni labanye sebasa ngicane kwasala lamajida nje lasaqala nami mfuni ngicane sisi3 noma 4 lesasala ebesibaningi
Ebesibaningi bongiswa even invited me. Ngasuka esikolweni ngangayikhaya ngihamba nabhaki wami ne-uniform ngako perform emfuleni.
ebesibaningi
Ngishaya mathafini.
ngicane kwasala sibu nami no ngisho kulaba ngena nje bayavela mthala bese avela khona egamini ngibala labasala nabangena
Lesafika nabo.
yebo ngusibu na Cedric ngicela sebasele nyalo lesingangena nabo ngusibu na Cedric
Cedric lo suspect.
Cappuccino nabani hayi ngibani omunye Thembe lakho sowabe siyayekela
Thembela wahamba.
but bayablind
The rest bahamba.
labanye bonke babe sebayekela
Bangena manje emadolweni.
yeah
Maybe it's personal reasons. You never know. It's tough.
yeah nemanje emabholweni
Can you make a
ahambeni
living out of them sending in that? Can you make a living properly? Can you rent a house? Can you take care of baby mama and I? Nothing you call them fighting them to your corner one thing and man.
Money. Are we dead right now? Are we dead right now?
Let's come and fight my room. I don't fight them to the room.
Don't empathy. Don't empathy.
Honest.
No, mine ang nampat.
Okay.
Nam.
Talk to me there.
nam
Na Joshua utimfat.
no umlonga unikele
Vale,
lalibona
licingo ngilokutshela licingo. Licingo lithano mangibala.
balone heart
Ihathi isho ukuthini emasonto?
isho ukuthini
Isho ukuthi ihathi yona ngayithatha.
inhlitiyo yakho
Yabo ikiya yabona kuthiwa nje le nombolo ngiyisave itolo. Ngayifaka le heart endiwa lo mnikati wayo ngayifaka le heart. Ngendela ukuthi atshele ukuthi ungile heart.
kunengi kukhonye
Kanti-
Okay, back to Kuti. Bese nguda refuse Kuti. Botana a lot of people buy a bank. From the comment can you make a living? Kuti. Jumba nakona nae. Nomropila na Kuti. The comment and sustain.
siyazama
We living. We are alive even now. We are alive.
siyazama asiyazama ngeke ayisiyazama
But mina ngibonga nje ukuthi asikafi. Sikhona we are living.
But what are the challenges? Then now endleleni noma lensolo now till today.
kuthi kufike le mali la ku
Kuze kufika manje phela ma challenges.
mina ngathi nje sidikheve labasikweleta ngabo
Yebo.
awu man
Don't go deep up. Leave it like that.
Now some feel man yini bamba.
kuthi like kulukhuni kuya kungaphileka kulembona kungaphileka kusene
Ngiyaphileka.
but lokulukhuni ngilokuthi kungenele imali in terms of ma bookings ngikhulumela imvolo kanjani nathi
Nebhuka bese usabhadalwa phela.
ngadi
Ungayi. Don't go there.
ngadi mina
But
lebole
ngile ngikusho kodwa.
babhadala bami
Babhadala abantu.
Imali abantu kwetona ngimalini na estimate. Khuluma.
Lebo. Lebo billion. Billion mina ngina billion nje wami lo straight.
bonqindiliyoni
Ungaphileka but aphileki.
Ngiyaphila. Siyaphila. We are living.
yena siyazama man
Siyazama we try.
Angosiyazama lesamfu.
Man, Joshua mina ngizama lelo kuyinciphisa ukuthi
exactly kulukhuni but le
Sile comedian lebukela bona lefuna kubangini ukuthi to wathi ukuthi hey nakhala nini at this level.
exactly kulukhuni lala nje
lana siyaphila.
uyacompromise
Ngiyaphile.
ngiyaphila nje ngiphefumula ngayo uyaphila nje
Mhlawumbe yafika le man manager sokusababhadala.
Boba.
Ngibani
Muthi umuntu osikweleta ngobani lani ngisho ke hawu Kude umvulo sikoletayo.
Banele indzaba banele.
Ngiyayibona ukuthi
Ayibona lo sitenta zawo umuntu lo kubhasabathe emfuleni. Bafu lalela siyatshela thina. Sithine
lana sekuyaphileka
Sasama, kuyaphileka, but
nakungathiwa nje ubhookwa every weekend ngiyabekisa maybe ngisho ukuthi hayi no kumnandi ne
Yeah.
kanti kuyenteka maybe uhlale maybe inyanga iziphele ungakazi wabhookwa yabona emvoleni
kulandzele
kulephathela bese kuba likhulu ngekhona kanti phindze lemvo full time job yakho ne yeah full time
Unyalo sekubanga ukuthi man end job.
yeah
even ngisho angekho lo ufuna ukuthi mawucabanga ucabange ukuthi stuff thini
Manje
Full time.
monetizing social media.
yona ngibona abantu bayatrenda lapha bathi kunemali angikwadi lemvo lemi
On Facebook.
yeah
Besiya lapho monetize njani content online.
Because the numbers are crazy. No more.
but lapha epage kubhaliwe ukuthi leyo page is monetized
labo-
but awuyali le mali
Labo Facebook I think ba register in South Africa. It's not local. Local content online is in Kaapstad.
but exactly but itawu yakhona
It's
it's
heading
heading
there. It
there
can be anywhere depending on who register. Now if you want to do it tomorrow, it's doable. Anyone can do it. But for be careful about go after now register YouTube and subscribers.
oh
So I don't know now the sense of finally say.
mina online no kusede ngathi kunemali ya online
Izameni
imali ya online maybe ukuthi nangabe client ufuna commercial skit na imali ya online yakho
yeah ndema adverts
Ma-adverts,
what
yeah.
lokho ke imali ya online
nayo ke
Online
online
izamani.
yes dango online web lesmatiwe ma advert
I said money plan. Then ngibani groovist ngibani libambe machiri kakhulu.
hayi macherzi abamba maswachawula
kakhulu
lo groove kakhulu
Yes, man.
depend ukuthi le sound inganani le groove otherwise sine siya groove namasona
Mina pasi ngiyayibona groovist na. Ngiyabona futhi labo machiri.
ingingawo nosibuku lithathela
Uyabona.
kanzana ebaba ebaba
Darren kahle
emathi mshuni
yazi umshuni
bantwana bathi itareni bonini ngithi mina manini kancane nangiyeJoshua lapha ngisayonibitela safika na Joshua bantwana vele nje neti
unemanga Darren man awume Darren
Uhlale umuntu lo khuluma kanje.
uhlala naye ku
bani
yebo ningahlala nemuntu pasehlahla masondo
uhlala mubu
uhlala naye ku
uhlala naye ku
mu
kanjani
banene lo show yasigubha banene ufuna
but good groovist la
Good groovist la.
sathenda maybe lapho
Ibe ladies man.
ladies man
Now what do
akuna
you
ladies man masondo nje
uthini hayi good ladies man
masondo wena oh baby phela lo ngifotlas wabongwana abongwana bongwana ba based
Mina Darren uyona man konke lokhuluma kuyona man bathi bona
Okay, yini ke nyalo indlela engathi in the comedy industry lengafuna ukuyibona yendeka more. Ngisebashide ama bookings, maybe collaborator more. What do you guys want to see moving forward in this space then is to make the comedy like you said uthi ma comedy lapho nang9. I feel like that's low.
yeah I think I will 910
Ngazuthi ingeniwa bu comedy engathi nyale ekhangeni. Noma ntsina sitongi.
khona kulekha ku comedy
yeah khangothi now awusangahe but yona khangothi uyadla kakhulu
lekhishi nomfana wena ingoti
yabona but ngicanga ukuthi le kungana comedy HXM mina ngathi ukuthi ngathini but ama comedians la khona la kangwane kuse a proper but for ema upcomings man ngagcina ngathi labanye labatako angathi noma angathi ukuthi ngathini nangangifake emagama
Which means there is no one coming. What's upcoming? Wagcina ngathi.
La sengisho lo mina stand up wise ukuthi yabo bamfula yabo lashayako. Hayi sangene
Sete lo munye behind us. Yeah, sete lo munye behind us.
So lo mbuto uthi ke la comedy wena uvangaza ukuthi kungendekalani mina ishayatish. Kunengi lengingakusho mani bane ukuthi mina ngithanda mani nalokukhuluma ngathi.
Khuluma malume.
Mina lengingakusho ngathi masonda kakhuluma. Akhuluma.
Ngishito ngathi
ukuthi kushoda yini la?
If someone was watching, maybe uva ngathi khona kuleka khona. Okay, next question.
Do you guys receive any form of government assistance of any kind, organization, anything nje yesivele lesizivele nje ma NGOs ma swayino ma parastatals yosive nje osazi TV Channel S lokunganisita khona
Yes, maybe offer to buy content.
yeah tibe kanjalo nje but desive letinge tanisita anything
So far kwesive lokukwasita nga anything bamfu sive the nation at large
the community
la bathenga lamathikiti la betala kulama shows nawo amlengeva basupportile ne
not the ones lava sibukako
sengila basibhukhako ke
Lama
mama
companies
leti inkampani leto ke yo
Yazamazama.
la Swazi TV khona
Yeah,
imbuka
we had a
kayendile last
show.
year December
Yeah.
Sengikhohlwe.
Swazi TV.
ikhona ka
Christmas,
YouTube
what
le
one?
show
Yeah. Yeah.
ikhona ka YouTube
Yeah.
like the whole
set nje yonke from
so yeah I think nabo bamlengathi sibake ba invest
Kodwa kuleka khona ukuthi usaba lokukhuluma. Andiboni yini nakubala 2.
Ngiyani waphuma kutona la.
Lokuleka. Afuna zenze.
mfana babe
I know.
mfana babe lo
Guys, where can people follow your work and what can they expect moving forward? My social media, number tekukwa.
Mazondo uhlalela endlini yakhe nami ngihlala lekami singatholakala lapho nje bonako ngqongqotho
siyatholakala ka Facebook and our page angisathi kuthini ka TikTok
ayichop
ka YouTube
Instacash mobile money khona ka mobile money with the account
nawo wena na yeah
in every digital platform
sikhona yeah ngaphandle kwa X
kwa Chrome but we are available for everyone. Birthday parties, we are available. Wedding and divorce parties, we are available. Funerals, we perform.
we even cry if you want
We will probably cry. Funerals, we can book us for nothing. Cry.
no
Yeah, setsinga lokubitwa ngedivorce. Sihamba nalomphetho wakho.
afana nakushuta uyabona nishada nje kuyashuthwa ukuthi nanisashada niyashutha
thatha thombe
but nakudivorce kwendeke nishutha kusashutha
Thatha ifurniture.
thombe nanisashada nahlukana kuthatha ufurniture hamba le
Short living alokuthatha.
Have you ever thought of making a comedy special Jumbo Kevin Hart? Let's say the content they shoot at crisp, then you maybe I don't know next thing is
Sake sayithengisa lenye baba 3 by 10. Make ngimamncane. Sister.
I don't say the sponsor.
No, Spaza Putti was the very good father. You can search it right now.
Have
You
you ever
can
thought
search
of
it.
it?
ubuyela
thought of this.
Ubuyelanyende like proper machinery nashutha ngama-camera niyende ibe vele sekuleso standard ninamakhamera nibe ne-show prop
Sibe ne-show prop.
lapho ngithi sekudingeka umuntu emakhamera imali le uta-edita imali le
naku
Imali leyo.
timva simba
Imali leyo.
asende show
Let's make a show. Yes, not let's do a show. Yes.
But awufuna ukubhadala sona sekuphathi sofa ngeke simbhadala
Man. Yes. Ma-finances asikho namasonto. Sita nge-content.
thina sitakufumba nge-content throughout
Awenze show bani.
ngimibhuke ngisho njalo
Awuspooky senda i-show. Cause we will be
Uthatha
the
30%,
ones
sithatha
lesiyiphushako. Lokwahambi yokutakuzisa le show.
impela siyaplana la
No, but I'm serious because on this podcast sukela yaqala sifiso sami ukuthi sende info lefana ne-show lapho khona it's gonna be like more like a workshop ukuthi I'm gonna invite comedians, invite bantu labenda, other stuff, maybe an artist, TikToker, sihlangane sonke as like content creators. Bese sayiscripta ukuthi okay ma-comedians ngena speaker maybe on how to make money online futhi content so vele kuyadingakala ukuthi nibe khona emntwini enjani nani nihlale phasi live on the show when the people are watching sibe ne-sit down ukuthi when do you guys start but of course bese sekosa cabanga imvumo.
Yes. Lento leyo ungayibona mne. Sikhiphe financially thina ma-finances. I shall. Thina we're there for pushing the show.
Okay.
Making the show to be successful.
Sengiyadingela ukuthi ngisini. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi nizivakashela namhlanje show.
But still.
Ngimbuto khona lo ngetabo.
Okay.
But still
But still nje asati.
wena kusawuyi-ladies man asangike-interviewe wena
Say are you a ladies man? Uhlala nabani endlini?
no ngikana gogo.
Gogo endlini. Gogo uyayibhemi. Sniff.
No.
Andile ngudiscover ona manzona ukuthi okay.
Gogo namkhulu.
Laba bhema sniff estray lesithawula labafinyana. Nakafinywa esho no. Hey Balele. I think awuhlukane nansi. Yeah.
ngegama likajesu siyakucela
Please.
Hayi salehlukana man.
Yeah, awuthi we had a great time with you. Naloku singangenelana.
Sangilinde nale show. Ngihlukane.
Ishapha la ngithi sibhebe.
lasisho kwanyalo
Ishow thina sikhulumela ishow siyayikhuluma naso sesiwhatsapelana lekubo status enteko wadade vele basitasa sahlanganisa ukuthi okay uthi wena lo 16,000 ukhona for hit the show man
16,000 ngepaso ayasa ngithenga.
hayibo
idayiswa
iyathengiswa into lo wayithola imfene ayilahli likhobo lwake kuthi yadi ukuthi kude la kuthengiswa khona makhobo mina nje never.
Any questions guys?
Any question, gentlemen?
my international shows
International shows.
cross border you planning and you done
Yeah.
siyawenda
Siyahamba last of
sonke
last year.
ezemajini
How?
Last of last year we were in Singapore. In Masondo.
Hayi.
Sipepa.
serious awusem bese
Masondo
singapore
bengathi ukuba speakers.
ngisho
Bese Singapore ngiyakutshela mina.
Sikhuluma Singisi.
Sikhuluma Singisi talking English like
Ukhulunywa liphi ilimi eSingapore?
besikhuluma
Singisi
singisi
phela.
Ngisho udala ngalume khulunywa
Ha.
nasive sine eSingapore.
Kune
Thula bongisi.
unebelumbi.
Oh.
Naka kunemlungu. Those are
Okay,
two
yes.
different people things.
Kodwa nekhona emcothu nisayile under, nothi nisayile under. Nonke nongayini nama-comedian angona.
no
Sibaningi nje simajita nje
Talent
talent
Fact.
factory
Talent
sibaningi
Shothi talent factory ngogo ngosilwane nguwe
ngidari nabo ngiswanga ngihembe no
bengisho majida lawo
majita nje ngimi nabo ngiswana na
Kedlembane
hope
seceleni.
kedlembane
Akekho na.
akekho nathi
kedlembane
Seceleni.
kedlembane musu ngazo ngumphathi
umphathi
ungimphathi kedlembane
Understand ukuthi umphathi kuphi. But
yathi ngisho ngani umsebenzi wakhe makasebenzi uphathe umbhobho usho ukuthi ungumphathi wembhobho emsebenzi
hayi asihlukane ngekuthola. Guys, thank you so much for coming to the show. Anything you want to say to the fans that have requested?
fans
Khawula-
soda fan inye ekhaya kuyashisa ngicela kube nayo le tangishayisa umoya. I'm talking to my fans.
Yes.
I need only one fan. Don't shayisa umoya.
you want only fans